We just got to Yosemite, cracked the van open. You guys aren't gonna believe. It's so ridiculous. Those people are madmen. Yeah, I would do it. If you're asking me, of course. If you're asking me if I would free solo, same answer, of course. I'm here for the whole thing, or nothing. No thing, nothing. You going all the way up today?
Yeah, all the way to the top. Free solo.
We've reached it. Base of El Cap. These guys are almost done. We're just gonna borrow their ropes. Calvin's gonna free solo. Alden and I are gonna borrow these guys' ropes.
Someone has to do it.
Whew. Hogan wants in.
What are you about to do, Luke?
I'm gonna free solo El Cap a little bit. I'm guessing that's where you start. seems like the spot that, you know. No chalk bag. I couldn't pick an easier spot. It doesn't seem like there's much here.
It's not easy.
Alright. Alright.
He was on the wall.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Build it with any kind of like shoe grab.
Your disc golf shoes aren't getting it done?
My grippy Nikes just aren't finding anything.
Those guys are almost done. You can borrow theirs. Oh, look at him go. Oh, he's begun his ascent. Impressive.
He's there, man.
You almost had that. Yeah, there's got to be an easier spot, you know?
Probably not. There's a reason why these rocks are stacked.
Alright. Alden, you gonna climb El Cap?
Nope.
Touched it. You touched El Cap. Yeah, that's a cliff. That's El Capitan. We're a little bit above it. There's the meadow. Standing on the edge. Pretty sketch.
Where he is now. He's on my back.
Oh, he fell down.
Oh. Oh, he's in the open. He's in the open. It's okay, little guy. It's okay. Not sure what kind of lizard we got, but he's got a nice little blue belly. I don't know if you can see right now. Got some blue belly.
Oh yeah.
He's like, oh, don't fall. I'll put you back. I'm not gonna eat you.
Headed to Yosemite Falls. There's a bunch of people doing this one today.
Yeah.
I know.
Packed out, huh?
Hey!
It's beautiful out here though. Like halfway up. What do you think, Hogan? Is that all we've come up?
That's all we come up. That's it.
Steady walking. We've probably passed 100 people on this trail already. Some guy just ran past us. That makes one person. It's gone past us. Ooh. Just switchbacks. Go this way, cut back this way, look over the edge. There's Vinny, natural habitat.
Natural habitat. Columbia Rock. Looking into Yosemite Valley.
Half Dome over there. Should have brought a rangefinder out here.
Our old Bushnell ones wouldn't even shoot long enough though. They're only good to like, what, 850?
Yeah, 900 or something. When do we get to the part where you free solo, Calvin?
It's over there. I just gotta do like another 8 miles of walking before I start. Gotta get warmed up.
Yeah.
Don't wanna, not warm up and then free solo.
You don't want to be fresh when you take on El Cap free solo style. No shade to Alex, but
it's not like he did a bunch of hiking right before. He started right early in the morning. It was dark when he started.
I heard you just took a helicopter up to the top. What's happening? Scale 1 to 10, Alden. That's a 10. Dude, you gotta be kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me.
You got to be kidding me.
Alright.
Sweet.
So we're all on the same page. I don't even know. I mean, I've been all over the world. I've seen a lot of pretty things. The size of these walls, the height of these mountains, blows it all away, honestly. I'm just kind of speechless about all this. Pretty amazing. all day. It's 11:30. We got moves to make. Time to head down.
Howdy.